Good morning, guys. I'm actually starting my beautiful morning right now at the Melbourne Aquatic Centre, which is MSAC. That's where I play basketball. Oh my god, I just literally parked the car. It's really early in the morning right now for me. It is currently 9 AM. I'm going to shoot some hoops with my brother and his friends, and then we're going to go back to the warehouse. So if I get some B-roll, I get some B-roll. No, you know, I'm going to try to get some B-roll. I haven't played basketball for at least like nearly 2 months now. Holy jabebis. Because like last time I actually played some proper basketball is before we went to Bali. Hope you guys enjoy this. Dinner for Zui. He has a child and it's their 1 month.
Yeah, a 1 month is actually, is it Vietnamese or is it just Asian in general?
I think it's just an Asian thing.
Other ethnicities do 1 month.
Yeah, so we're going to Yum Cha in Docklands. It's really bright outside right now.
Is it actually going to be Yum Cha though?
No, it's not. It's just
leaf,
it's gold leaf. Okay.
I'm excited because I'm hungry.
Let's go. Oh, I'm not red. I am not red.
You definitely are. He's
I'm
red.
not red. I'm not red. Are you red? No, sis, you're fine.
Thank you.
Oh, you got pepper. Tell them what we're eating, Vinny.
Shark fin soup.
Good job. The only good thing about this is the noodles, and look how much Philly's got compared to me.
I don't like the noodles.
Nah, I like the lobster as well, but I'm not saying you can have all my lobster. I'm saying I just want more noodles.
Someone's gonna back out.
No one's gonna back out.
What? Gonna back out. You're gonna hit it hard, bro.
You gotta hit it hard. 1, 2, 1.
Who am I putting it on?
What are we doing?
Smash your knee.
That's bullshit.
That's not bullshit. That's the
Yo.
Yo. Wait, are you serious?
Ready? 1. Yo.
You hit it pretty hard, bro.
I know, yo. What? Tom. Hey, Mom.
Hold on. Are you gonna hit it pretty hard?
Oh my god, are you actually doing it?
Hey.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I got it! Yeah.
Okay, man.
I got a bit of good crack on mine, man.
Yeah.
Bullshit. Hey, come on, bro. Do it again.
You guys need to see my best mate, Tom.
You're very close up right here.
Look, he's super lit. Like, so lit. Like, he's on another level.
Anyways, what are we getting now?
Ice cream.
Watermelon too.
Okay, we're gonna get some ice cream. What did you get?
Coconut and cookies and cream.
And I got peppermint. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video, we are here at Footscray Festival, which is the Vietnamese Chinese New Year festival. It's really cool. We honestly just come here for the food and to win some prizes. I already won this and we've been here for like 2 minutes. So let's show you guys around. First thing that I had to come get is my ultimate favorite, which is the banana fritter. It is made so fresh, it is so hot. Let's get into it. And you guys can see inside, it is so bomb. This is my favorite thing. I always get it and I wait for it every single New Year. So let's go see what else there is.
These are wine leaf with beef and they are the bomb. This is one of the only reasons why I come here, just for the food. It's Vietnamese festival, why not?
The sun is totally in my eyes right now and it's really, really loud. But next up I have a Nook Mia, which is a sugarcane drink. It's so good because it's like 30 degrees right now, so let's drink it. Oh no, it just broke on me. Oh no, it didn't work.
There's a lot of festival games here too, so the common one that you usually get are these ticket ones. So it's like $2 a thing, and all you gotta do is pop it open like so, and then if the number matches there, you win a prize. That's pretty much it. Let's see if we get lucky.
Out of the 10 ones of these that we got, we didn't even win, which is so annoying. Maybe we'll try again later. Let's go see. Next up, we're about to play a game. I don't know if this is legal or illegal, but it's pretty much just gambling. So I have a whole bunch of $1 coins, and what you have to do is you have to throw it onto this table, which you guys will see, and you have to land it inside a tiny square. And if it lands perfectly without touching the edges, then you win your money back, or whatever that number says. Let's go and let's try win more than $10 worth.
Won your money back, babe. Because I really want to eat this. It's just mango with salt, chili. I don't know what the Vietnamese word for this is, but this is insane of a treat. Philly was looking everywhere for it, and we finally got one. Let's chow down on this and play some games. Alright, literally, so this game's called Jolong. So all you do is get a tennis ball, and you aim at the cans, and that's pretty much it, and you're just gonna win a prize. Should be simple, should be simple. Hi
guys, welcome to my
Just get two.
How many girls do you want, babe?
He's just
one. This is the clown game. All you need to do is put these table tennis balls into here, and then at the same time it needs to add up to that score up there. So we've got all of us trying to do it right now. All 5 people trying to do it. Let's go.
It's 19.
Okay, really?
8, 10, 19.
Oh, I literally can't.
That's alright.
So close. Thank you.
Are you aiming for that one or that one? And he's got it.
Vinny didn't even make it.
Let's go, babe.
I got $50 on this fight.
You can't lose, babe.
What is this? 2 minutes, I'll give you 50 cash. Just relax. Don't move. I'll give you 50.
I need to. Yeah. Come on, babe.
Just relax. Just chill. Yeah. Come on, baby, straight. I move.
Shoot it, Benny. Let's go, babe. Let's go.
Go Philly!
It's all figment of your imagination. 1 more minute.
1 more minute, babe. Let's go. Let's go.
50 seconds. You got this.
Let's go, babe.
Keep going. Oh, it's slipping.
40. Let's go, babe.
Keep holding, keep holding.
Let's go, babe. Let's go, babe. Let's go. Keep going. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Just got done at Footscray Festival because Hao has basketball at 9:30 and it's now 8:36. But we have like a little goodie bag of just like kids' toys. I think we'll give it to like my cousin or someone whenever we see them. I'm actually so surprised at how long I lasted on that bar. I think I did pretty well. I can feel like blisters coming on, and Hao I think is definitely surprised by me. So let's head to basketball.